The Hobby of Painting, an introduction by proud hobbyist. Why try painting? Relaxing and therapeutic. Helps reduce stress and boost mental wellness. Boosts creativity. Lets you express feelings, ideas, and imagination. Improves focus. Helps build patience, observation, and fine motor skills. Accessible for everyone. No need to be a natural artist. You can start anytime with any style. Popular painting styles to explore. 1. Acrylic painting. Fast drying and beginner-friendly. Great for bright colors and layering. 2. Watercolor painting. Soft, fluid effects, a bit more delicate to control. Great for landscapes and light, dreamy work. 3. Oil painting. Rich textures and slow drying time allow blending. More advanced, but very rewarding. 4. Gouache, like opaque watercolor. Dries matte and is great for illustrations. 5. Digital painting. Uses tablets or apps like Procreate. Clean, undo-friendly, and portable. Basic supplies to get started. Acrylic example. Paints, starter set of acrylics. Brushes, variety pack, round, flat. Canvas or thick paper. Water cup and palette. Apron or old clothes. Easel, optional. Simple starter tips. Don't stress over perfection. Just play and experiment. Try following online tutorials or YouTube lessons. Use reference images to help guide you. Start with simple subjects like skies, fruit, or abstract shapes. Plan before you paint. Lightly sketch your design, optional but helpful. Think about your color palette ahead of time. Consider your composition where things go on the canvas. Try different strokes, stippling, dry brush, blending, etc. Understand paint behavior. Acrylics dry, fast work quickly, or use a retarder to slow drying. Watercolors spread, control water use for clean effects. Oils stay wet longer, great for blending, but need longer drying time. Let it dry completely before moving or framing. Choose the right materials. Use the appropriate type of paint for your project: acrylic, watercolor, oil, etc. Select the correct brush size and type for your technique. Flat for broad strokes, round for details. Use the right surface: canvas, paper, wood, etc. Rinse brushes between colors. Don't let paint dry on brushes, it ruins them. Clean your palette regularly to avoid muddy mixes. Fun project ideas for beginners. Paint a sunset or galaxy. Create a color mood abstract. Recreate a favorite photo or cartoon. Try a paint by numbers.